Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up Vtiger Actions Automation for workflow apps. Once on your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app and click on it. Click on Install, click on Allow and Install. Once your app has successfully been installed, you're going to refresh your tab and then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to your documentation. Under the tutorial, you're going to have access to a SmartQ video that is going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials in order to set up the app. We equally have the configuration walkthrough video that is going to help you on how to set up the app. Under the setup, we notice that our app haven't yet been connected, but no worries, we are going to walk you through on how to connect and set up your app. First thing, you're going to click on Start Setup, head over to your account online, click on your profile, click on My Preferences, then you're going to copy your username, head over back to your account, paste your username. You're going to go back to your account online, copy your access key, head over back to your account and paste your access key. Go back to your account online, you're going to copy your domain, head over back to your account and paste your domain. Once you're done, click on Complete Setup. As you can see, our app has successfully been connected. We equally have the support center. At the level of the support center, you can create a ticket for our support team or you can book a call with our support team. We have the change log. At the level of the change log, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the new updates and changes of the app. In order for you to receive these notifications, you're going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email and click on subscribe. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and remember our support team is available 24/7 to give you extra help. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.